Hi everyone, it's a missionary for Christ. And today we're going to go to church. We learn how to pray the Hail Mary, Our Father, and the rosary. It'll be really cool and awesome. But first, we go into the church and we kneel down in our kneeler and we start praying. And after we kneel down, we fold our hands too. Hail Mary, full of grace, Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now at the hour of death. Amen. Hello, Sally. What are you doing? I'm just praying part of the rosary, Father. Maybe we can pray the rosary together. Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Hail Mary, full of grace, Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now at the hour of death. Amen.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Pray for us sinners now, and at the hour of death. Amen. Gentle woman, quiet light, morning star, so strong and peaceful dawn, teach us wisdom.